The autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will commence from 10 September 2021. For summoning of the Assembly session, the Chief Minister generally writes a letter to the Honourable Governor with a copy to the Honourable Speaker proposing for holding the session. Then the Honourable Speaker calls the Business Advisory Committee, which consists of the Deputy Chief Minister, Leader of Opposition, and one member each from the government and the opposition side. The Business Advisory Committee deliberates and decides on the calendar and the number of days that the House will sit. During the session, we generally have government business days and private members' days. The House takes up items like government bills, ordinances, laying of rules, reports, notifications, governor's address, budget presentation, supplementary demand for grants, etc. On private members' days, there are call attention notice, 0-hour notice, half-an-hour discussion, short duration discussion, motions, and resolutions. Now, questions are also taken up on every day of the session, excluding the first day of the session. Question hour generally starts from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. There are start and unstart questions. On start questions, supplementaries are asked by members from both sides of the House, and the Minister in charge of the department will reply. Unstart questions are generally lengthy in reply, and the printed answers are circulated to the members in the House. When an MLA submits his question to the Assembly Secretariat generally forwards to the concerned department for preparation of reply for the Minister. Question hour time is very lively and is also quite challenging for the ministers. MLAs also submits 0-hour notice, call attention notice, notice for short duration discussion, half-an-hour discussion. 0-hour notice are generally taken up after question hour to discuss on a matter of grave importance. Similarly, call attention notice are taken up to call the attention of a minister on a matter of urgent public importance. Short duration discussion are taken up to raise discussion on a matter of urgent public importance. Half-an-hour discussion are taken up for raising discussion on a matter which was the subject of a recent question and needs detailed discussion. Government also brings bills to be introduced in the House. After the bill is introduced in the House, the bill is circulated to all the MLAs to submit amendments to the bill. The bill is then taken up for discussion on the day listed with amendments for consideration and passing of the bills. Motions and resolutions are taken up on private members' day. Generally, most of the motions and resolutions are submitted by the opposition MLAs. Government also brings government resolution on government business day. Government also presents supplementary demand for grants. Supplementary demand for grants are additional fund required by the government to meet the expenditure in some departments. The opposition members brings cut motion to discuss on the demand for grants and the justification for the required additional funds. So these are some of the business that are generally taken up during the autumn session. We will be discussing more in detail about the conduct of business in the Assembly in our next episode. Thank you for joining us.